Welcome to my another lecture on double integration. In this lecture, the learner will be able to understand the change of order of integration into polar coordinate. Okay. Earlier we did up to lecture that is 11. This is actually lecture number 11. Lecture 11 up to 11 we did double integration, double integration and change of order of integration. But lecture 11 and 12, after this lecture and next lecture, I'll discuss on change of order of integration into polar coordinate. Okay, change of order of integration into polar coordinate. So in change of Cartesian to polar coordinate, we replace x by r cos theta and y by r sin theta and dx dy by r dr d theta. In place of dx dy, we have to write r dr d theta. And we have to, after changing into polar coordinate, the external limit you have to take always theta equal to and some theta equal to and internal limit always r equal to. Okay, so how to change the limit? Now draw a rough sketch from the given limits. Okay, so solution here y is a y function, so x equal to 0 0, that is y axis, because this is y, so it is x equal to, this is y equal to naturally, and x equal to root over this to this is actually internal limit, internal limit, internal limit. Okay, okay, this is actually internal limit. Now x equal to 1 minus y square, so this becomes x square plus y square equal to 1. This is a circle equation. Circle. Now external limit, external limit, what is external limit? External limit is y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means x axis and y equal to 1 line parallel to x axis, parallel to x axis. Okay, parallel to x axis. From this rough sketch, I am just drawing a rough sketch. This is a circle of radius 1. Circle of radius 1. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is y equal to 1. This is y equal to, this is y equal to 0. This is origin. This is x equal to 0. This line is x equal to 0. And the circle of radius, this point is 1 comma 0, and the this is the, that is OAB. OAB is the required area. So this will be the strip. This is our strip. This is our strip. So by changing the order of integration, that is I equal to, it was y equal to 0 to 1 and x equal to 0 to root over 1 minus y square x square plus y square dx dy. After changing the order into polar coordinate, so external limit will be, what I told, external limit will be theta, because it is always constant. Theta is always constant. So we know in double integration the external limit is always constant. So I am taking the theta as external limit. Theta equal to, you see, what is theta? Theta start from here 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Theta. So 0, theta equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now r. This is start from here 0 to 1. Radius is 1. So r equal to 0 to 1. Now x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. So r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So r square if we take common, so then it will be 1. And dx dy, in place of dx dy, you have to put r dr d theta into r dr d theta. Very good. Okay. Now it will be r cube. So with respect to theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, that is r cube. R cube integration is r to the power 4 by 4 into d theta. This is 0 to 1, r equal to 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit. Now theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, upper limit, then 1 by 4, lower limit is 0. So it is 1 by 4 d theta, that is 1 by 4 into theta. Then d theta integration is theta, so 0 to pi by 2. So if we put upper limit minus lower limit, that is pi by 8 is the answer. So answer is pi by 8. Yes, pi by 8 is the answer. Okay. So this is actually how to change the order of integration into polar coordinate. Okay. Change the order of integration into polar coordinate. Okay. Change the integration into polar coordinate. Okay. I think everybody understood very nicely. What I did here, from the given limit, we have to draw the rough sketch. Then from rough sketch, we have to change the into polar coordinate. Outer limit is always theta. Internal limit is always r equal to, because r may be sometimes variable. Okay, r may be variable. So we are taking r equal to 0 to 1. Here r equal to 0 to 1, that is here 0, here is 1. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video. I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. I will come with my next video into polar coordinates. Okay, thank you very much.